MendMeShop's all-new back support compression brace is perfect for back alignment, correction, and extension, and it works by providing both compression and stabilization where you need it most, reducing pressure on the lower part of your spine. It can be used as prevention before or after a diagnosis from your primary healthcare provider and can help provide pain relief. Wearing MendMeShop's back support compression brace can help improve posture while supporting the body's core, mid, and lower back. The adjustable pulley system and adjustable lumbar support arch have an easy-to-use design, allowing you to find the best level of compression for your body, giving an optimal level of support and comfort. It comes in 4 sizes, and with all the built-in adjustments, you're sure to find the right one to help your back. MendMeShop's experienced customer service team is available via text, email, or chat to help with any questions you may have about sizing, purchasing, and use. Check out the MendMeShop back support compression brace on shop.tshells.com.